Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to install Python. Installation of Python is quite simple. So let's begin installation of the Python. So first I will download the package. So here it is the official website of the Python, and from official website I'm going to install 64 MSI installer for the Windows. So I'm using Windows 10. So and my system, so it is 64-bit in OS installed on my system. So download it. Okay, so finally it has been downloaded. Now go to the install for all user. Again, Python 277. Click next. So command prompt yes. Okay, so it's creating my new. Okay, it's copying all the files to the target location. So the target location is C. Under C folder it is Python 2.7.17. This is the file, this is the folder that will be created over there. Okay, let's wait for some few minutes. Ideally it takes only one minute. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Okay, let's check it on. Let's go to the C Python. Let's go to the C Python 27. So yeah, so all these files have been located. Let's check it by executing a simple command. So hello, yeah, so it is installed. So very simple step, very simple steps to install. So as well as you can also add this into the environment variable. So steps are quite simple. Just go to the PC properties. Now go to the advanced settings. On advanced settings, go to the environment variable, and here select the path. Okay, added it. If I should hold Python. Okay, at the end, if I type the command like this, if I add the, okay, so here it is my locations. I will add location information over there. Okay, okay, no, okay. I will again reload my command prompt just to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so Python is successfully loaded into the environment variable as well. So that's the steps. What pretty simple steps to install the Python, as well as add to add the Python installer into the system variables. Okay, if you have liked my video, kindly like it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching.